Plastic airtight pet food container is the ideal solution for storing dog or cat food, other pet food, and more. Pet food bins have airtight seals and snap lock latches to keep out moisture and pests for secure dry food storage. 55 QT storage container provides plenty of food storage room, holds up to 42 pounds. BPA-free rolling storage bins come with casters for easy mobility. Dimensions: 18. 50 liters x 13. 60 watts x 22. 88H. The Iris Premium Airtight Pet Food Container is the perfect container for all your pet food storage needs. This 55-quart plastic container with lid and scoop has an airtight seal that locks in freshness and keeps moisture, humidity, and pests out. Plastic food container holds 45 pounds of dry pet food. The snap lock latch signals that the lid is secured shut, while the full top offers easy access to the pet food. Designed as pet food bins, these BPA-free airtight storage bins offer many other uses as well, such as pellet storage, grain storage, birdseed storage, cat litter storage, or even as a charcoal or wood chip storage container. The Iris Premium Airtight Pet Food Container is translucent, versatile, functional, and can be used in any area of the house. Made in the USA. Fda-compliant and BPA-free material. Top reviews from the United States. It does what it says it does. It holds what it says it'll hold and looks much better than the ugly dog food bag in the corner. It rolls and seems to keep food fresh. Doko doesn't complain, and we've had this item for a few months before me posting this review. Only slight negative is when the container is full, it roll with less ease.